Hello everyone and welcome back to Success Guide. How does the idea of making money while you sleep sound? It sure does have a nice ring to it. This idea is what passive income is about. Whenever someone needs additional income, the stereotypical suggestion offered is to get a part-time job. But what if you don't have the time or energy to put in all those extra hours? For that, you may need some passive income ideas, ways to make money with little investment of time and effort on your part. However, don't be deceived into thinking that a passive income requires little or no effort. You'll still need to put in quite some work, but passive income places emphasis on future income or earnings. Today, we're going to be talking about 10 legit ways to make passive income. Make sure to stay till number 1 because you may just discover a new way to earn a lot of money for yourself. Number 10, write an ebook. This can be a lot of work, putting in the research and actually preparing the content. But once the ebook is created and marketed, it can provide you with a passive revenue stream for years. There may be some problem coming up with the content of the ebook if you're not an experienced writer, but to save yourself some stress, you can seek professional help or outsource to a freelance writer. You can either sell the ebook on your own website or offer it as an affiliate arrangement with other websites that provide content related to your ebook. There are numerous retail websites which give you the platform to sell your book and showcase it to the world. Number 9, try your hands at affiliate marketing and sales. This passive income technique is better suited to people who have blogs and active websites. You can sign up to promote certain products or services on your site, and for that, you will be paid either a flat fee or a percentage of the amount of the sale completed. This isn't as hard to do as you might think, since there are thousands of companies in the world who want to sell their products in as many places as they can. You can find affiliate offers either by contacting vendors directly or on dedicated websites such as ClickBank. It's always best if the product or service is one that you are either very interested in or is highly relevant to your website. Number 8, invest in index funds. Index funds provide you with a way to invest in the stock market that is completely passive. For example, if you invest money in an index fund that is based on the S&P 500 index, you will be invested in the general market without having to concern yourself with choosing investments, rebalancing your portfolio, or knowing when to sell or buy individual companies. All that will be handled by the fund, which will base the fund portfolio on the makeup of the underlying index. You can also free choose a fund that is based on any index that you want. For example, there are index funds set up for just about every market sector there is. Energy, precious metals, banking, emerging markets, you name it. All you have to do is decide that you want to participate, then contribute money and sit back and relax. Your stock portfolio will then be on automatic pilot. Number 7, make YouTube videos. If you have a knack for explaining stuff or you're good at performing art, you can create videos in just about any area that you like. Music, comedy, movie reviews, anything you want. You can also make opinion or tutorial videos and then put them on YouTube. You can then attach Google AdSense to the videos, which will overlay your videos with automatic ads. When viewers click on those ads, you will earn money from AdSense. The keys will be to create compelling videos, to promote these videos on social media websites, and to create enough of them that your income will be coming from multiple sources. There's a good bit of work that goes into creating videos, but once a video is done, it can become a completely passive cash flow source for a very long time. YouTube is surely a great source for passive income. Number 6, purchase high dividend stocks. By building a portfolio of high dividend stocks, you can create regular passive income at an annual rate that is much higher than what you get on bank investments. High dividend stocks are also risky and will require the attention of a trained mind. Just as important, since high dividend stocks are stocks, there is always a potential for capital appreciation. In that way, you can earn passive income from 2 sources: dividends and capital gains. You will need a brokerage account to purchase these stocks and complete the research needed. Number 5, sell your personal products online. This is a diverse field for passive income. You can sell just about any product or service that you like. It could be a product you have created and can manufacture on your own, or it could be digital in nature, such as software DVDs or even instructional videos. You can set up a dedicated website for this product or service, unless of course you have a website or blog already in place. Alternatively, you can also sell it on an affiliate basis, either by offering it directly to websites and blogs related to your product or service, or through a platform. If you make a lot of money in your current job and you're not sure that you can make a similar amount by selling products online, think again. Number 4, buy a blog. Thousands of blogs are created every year, and many of these are either completely abandoned by their owners sometimes afterwards. If you can buy blogs with a reasonable amount of web traffic, as well as a demonstrated cash flow, it could be a perfect passive income source. Most blogs employ Google AdSense, which provides a monthly revenue stream based on ads that Google places on the site. There may also be affiliate programs generating additional revenue. Both income sources will be yours once you purchase the blog. From a financial perspective, blogs usually sell for 24 times their monthly income. So if the site generates $250 a month in income, you can likely buy it for no more than $3,000. Translation, a $3,000 investment will buy you $1,500 per year in cash flow. Over time, you will recover the cost of purchasing the blog and earn more money for yourself. If you were to buy such a site and then to reinvigorate it with fresh new content, you may be able to raise the monthly revenue, enabling yourself to sell the site at a later date for substantially more than what you paid for it. Finally, instead of buying a blog, you might want to create your own blog. You can make some money either way. Number 3, post your photography on the web. Do you capture good snaps? Then this type of passive income is ideal for you. If you love photography, you may be able to convert it into a passive income source. Photography websites such as Shutterstock or iStock Photo can provide you with platforms to sell your photos. They may offer either a percentage or a flat fee of each photo that is sold to a site client. In this way, a single photo could represent a cash flow source since it can be sold again and again. You simply need to create your photo portfolio, put it in one or more photo platforms, and then the activity becomes completely passive. All the technicalities of the photo sales are handled through the web platform. You will earn money without having to worry about too many details, and your passion will become a profitable passive income. Number 2, invest in real estate. This method of income is not completely, since an investment in real estate is always at least a little bit of an active venture. Still, once you have a property that is established and fully rented, it's mostly a matter of managing the property and keeping it performing well. Additionally, there are professional property managers who can manage your property for you, usually for around 10% of the monthly rent. This professional management can make the investment much more passive, but will take a bite out of your cash flow. The key to success with rental properties is buying smart. Not every property is going to provide a good return or prove to be passive. Understanding how to analyze potential real estate opportunities is incredibly important. Another benefit of investing in rental properties is the loan paydown. If you obtain a loan to buy the property, each month your tenants are paying off part of the loan. Once the mortgage on the property has been paid off, your cash flow will increase dramatically, allowing your mediocre investment to skyrocket into a fully fledged retirement program. You will love it. Number 1, become a referral source. This can be a good opportunity as every small business needs referral sources in order to maintain sales. Make a list of small business providers that you can use on a regular basis and feel you can recommend to others without reservation. Then contact the owners and see if they have any kind of cash referral offers available. Many businesses are open to giving out referral offers and would readily welcome you on board. You can do this with accountants, landscapers, electricians, plumbers, carpet cleaning services. The list is endless. Keep a list of these businesses and be ready to refer them to your friends, family, and co-workers. You can earn a fee on each referral just from talking to people. Don't overlook referral programs at work either. If your company offers a referral bonus for either new employees or for new customers, then take advantage of that plan. It's easy money with virtually no work. While you are here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.